I've been trading for 8 weeks, just about 2 months, and I officially hit $100,000 in profit.
Made over $200,000 during these 3 months.
So at this point, I've made about $60,000 as a result of being in the program, a part of the program. From what I've learned, I've cleared all of my debt.
Within 4 weeks, I made $50,000. And believe me, I've tried all kinds of online businesses. You name it, I've probably tried it.
I am now trading at a win-loss ratio of over 90% for the past month. And in that time frame, I have also profited $72K.
I started trading the strategy about 10 weeks ago. I've made $50,000, starting with only $3,000, trading part-time. Last week, I left my corporate life and have sort of entered an early retirement to become a full-time day trader using this strategy.
It's life-changing. It is unbelievable where this has taken my life.
Because of the VIP trading program, I now win 80% of all trades. And I have to be honest, I did not know anything about trading before I started Maurice's program.
I'm between 75-80% profitable on my trades.
80% of my trades are money.
I'm consistently winning up to 70% of my trades at this point in time.
I'm now averaging around 70% or more win rate per week.
I have been able to work up to a 70% win rate.
I'm seeing a win rate of trades right now over 80%. I mean, when I win, I'm making $1,000 to $2,000.
In my research to trying to find a program or a group, I landed on the Maurice Kinney program, and let me tell you, what a godsend.
The first 2 weeks of this month, I made $10,000.
Since I've been a part of the VIP trading program, I have been profitable. I've been able to keep 70, if not 80% of my profits.
I've never traded before this. I've branched out, tried a bunch of things since then, and I always find myself coming back to the strategy just because it's so easy and it's profitable.
It's effective, it works, and I'm in my 6th week now, and it's really just a matter of following the program and not deviating.
So I've done 30 trades so far, and I can tell you if you follow the rules and you have to be very disciplined, you will be successful.
I have proven to myself that the strategy works. Following the simple instructions and really understanding my own psychology has helped make the difference in being 30% successful, which is not successful at all the way up to 65, 70%.
First off, it gave me a strategy that was very simple and easy to learn. And second of all, just as importantly, it also allowed me to discover for myself the discipline needed and the consistency needed in order to be a successful trader.
The coaching program itself, the feedback that I get from the coaches, from the community, the constructive support that's there has been invaluable.
This program helps address not just how to trade, just the nuts and bolts, but the psychology of it as well.
It's mostly about picking it up in real time and sticking with the plan. And not getting FOMO, not over trading, and that's the biggest thing.
The thing I didn't realize about day trading is that the psychological aspect of it is almost everything.
What really sets us apart is the one-on-one coaching. Having someone to go to after your trades to let you know what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what you need to improve on.
This is what this program is about. It's about mentorship, it's about guidance, it's about giving people the lives that they deserve, right? Because as a day trader, you pretty much live life on your own terms.
My coach Dustin has been helpful, helping me keep the right mindset and all the principles that Maurice teaches.
I'm continuing to share trades with my coach, incorporate that feedback, and sticking to the strategy every single day. I'm telling you, consistency is less time, less stress, and more wins.
Even if you have no prior experience, if you've never traded before and you're looking to learn from ground zero, or if your trades are not profitable and you just need a system that works, just go ahead and get started with the VIP trading program. It really does work.
I am now winning greater than 70% of my trades.
I now win between 70 and 80% of all my trades.
80% of my trades.
80% of my trades.
Between 60 and 70% on my win rate over the last month.
90% of the time, I've been able to make successful trades.
After completing the program, I now win 100% of my trades. I understand where I enter and exit and why much better than I have in the years past.
Take a chance, go ahead and jump inside, and I guarantee you won't be let down.
It works.
Give them a try. It'll change your life. It changed mine.